Good day, investors. Welcome to the 23rd of March 2015 report. As you can see, the trade for the day is called Mondi and the code is MND. Large traded price was 237.85 and the action used to go short or sell. The share entry is 238.80 and the target is 229.26. Stop loss to be used 243.57 cents on the red line. No current open trade at this moment, and looking at the completed trades that happened was the last one was CML, but that was for last week. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The dark line is actually indicating the index movement, and then you will get the 10-day moving average and a 20-day moving average. Currently, the index is still trading underneath this momentum at this moment, after it started to come down from this high with the blue and the red crossed downwards. Expectation is quite volatile for today. If you look at the Dow Jones, they closed 168 points positive. If you look at this negative channel, look at this positive channel, they closed on that blue line there above 18,126 points. So they're here on the top here. So the momentum was negative, positive, but you can see all the momentums happening. One day down, one day up, one day down, one day up. Looking at the J200 itself, that's the top 40 index. They also came down and they're going up. Indication futures on the US markets are about 20 points positive for late afternoon opening at 3:30. Our futures on the top 40 shares are also a bit positive. So we need to see how the market will react and what changes would happen. A lot of volatility as mentioned. Let's go and run to some shares in the markets quickly. Shoprite. Look at the momentum going down. Got a lot of support here at 153.24. Currently trading at 156.28. Still in a negative ABC pattern. Low, high, low, high, lower, high, lower. We need to see if this is going to be a start of a positive momentum happening on this channel here. Hopefully to bounce here and break this high and go higher, or if it breaks this low it will go lower. Looking at your Mr. Prices, also still in a downward momentum pattern here. If you call up your Bollinger Bands, you will see it's trading between the green and the purple line here at the bottom of the purple line. Anytime if it goes low, then this 245 level here, that's that level there. Definitely more downside to the 240, just under the 240 rank level here. Let's go and look at Woolies. Slightly the same look and feel as well. Trading under the green and the purple in a downward pattern. You can see the red lines showing the channel going down, and the confirmation of this upward channel broke on this level here. It's starting to go negative. So very important, broke this low here, previous low, next low 83.45, currently trading at 84. If broken, next low definitely back to the 81 rand. Let's go and look at some of the banking shares. Barclays Bank was in a negative, there's a big negative channel. It was on the top of that channel, come to the bottom of the channel like a double bottom forming here, two lows, and started to move up. Struggled to break the middle Bollinger green line, showing you momentum is still a bit negative at this moment. And if this share breaks this 180 level, next low could be back here to the 176. Shares currently trading at 180. It needs to break this 185 level if it needs to continue back to 190 and higher. So keep a close eye on this one as well. Looking at Standard Bank. Blue line was carrying a positive channel between these two green lines, positive. As you can see, low, high, positive ABC pattern. On the high of that ABC pattern, trading at 161. Need to see how this pattern will close out and play out as well. Let's go to your MTNs. Now, MTN is currently doing awesome at this moment. As you can see, look at this blue line, went into the downward channel, broke this high, previous high, and it broke physically up to the 224, 225. Current highs on this share is about 226, 227. But you can see the green line here support and the green line here is resistance. We've got a bit of momentum going upwards. Looking at your Vodacoms, downward momentum, sideways pattern, just above this level here of 130.40. Needs to break this 132 if it wants to go back to the 135. Not a lot into it, but keep a close eye on it. Exxaro was trading under the 100 rands, and Friday decided to go almost 7 rand 10 positive, trading close to the 110 or the previous high, so need to track this one also closely. Lot of volatility, lot of movement. Tight stop losses can kill you in this market. You need to be patient, need to sit out, work on your strategies, and very important, do your risk and reward calculations. Enjoy your trading, traders.